So hello and good morning. So this is a weekly outlook on indices, US 100 and US 500. Um, on on US 100, we are still in this retracement that started on November. So we have been stuck in that retracement leg or zone, and that is why we are getting in the lower time frames, such as not lower in the daily time frames and weekly time frames, we are seeing some sort of consolidated range. So that is why, because on the monthly we have still not broken out of this retracement leg. So we had this last down close candle on November on a monthly chart, and we have not been able to get a close above its open. So price has not yet confirmed that it wants to really go to the upside, but we have had some small bullish price actions. So on US 500, however, we already had a bullish change instead of delivery on a monthly level, but I do not really like to mark the technicals on monthly levels and above. I just like to depend on the macros, such as inflation, uh, Fed rates, and such. So that is all I wanted to talk about. Okay, that is all I wanted to talk about on a monthly chart. So I'm expecting a bullish month, and finally I want to see a close above this open, and I just want to see us get out of this retracement leg on US 100 the same way we did on NASDAQ. So I want to see NASDAQ start forming new all-time highs. So last month we tried, but we came back all the way to close inside. So be on the lookout for that, because that should signify something. However, with the government shutdown and everything going on, I will be trading very cautiously on these two, but I'm still expecting bullish price action on them. So um, other than that, I want to see, it's important to notice that we had immediate rebalance on US 500 on the monthly candle. So you can see that this week already came back to the downside to rebalance this area that would have been left open. So we already have that. And other than that, we can now go to the weekly chart. On the weekly, I wanted to see price close above this retracement leg on US 500, but it really rejected that area and came back to close inside the previous week high. So uh, that in itself is a bearish, um, those are bearish signs. But with the government shutdown and everything, now I want to see how price will trade this week, and then we can maybe get a breakout from this consolidated range. And then on US 100, I expected that price will close above this level, the 25,905, but we were not able to get that. And I want to see if this week we can finally get out of this consolidated range, because uh, it's really tough trading in this consolidation. But we have been able to get a few setups, although I closed the last one very early, but it turned out to be a winner. I did a trade breakdown on that, so you can check that out. So this week, basically what I'm looking for, I want to go long on US 100 and 500. So let me go down to the, so where is it? On the daily chart, we got something very interesting yesterday. So on Monday yesterday, we had a bullish day. So I am observing how price reacts to this. So if I get a change instead to the upside right here on 26,167, then I will be going long. And then if I get a change instead to the downside right here at 25,417, I will be going short on US 100 and 500. So the same thing is on US 500, because okay, with the government shutdown, I expect that maybe we might be seeing some decline in uh, these two assets. We might be seeing the retracement continue to the downside, but we still don't know how long this will last, and we don't know, the impacts have not started to trickle in the market yet. So I will be still observing and looking out for setups on both sides. So you can see that we already have that change in state to the upside on SP500. So if I get the same change in state on US 100, I will be taking longs on this asset and targeting new all-time highs, because I really think we are bullish, because you can see that we had a week to the downside, swept previous week lows. Yes, we did sweep previous week lows, correct? Yes, we swept previous week lows and then went back to rally to the upside, and now today if we get a close above this, I will be taking longs on US 100. We did the same thing. We swept previous week lows and then started to rally to the upside. So if we get a change in state here and also on SP500, because I want them to be in sync if I'm going to be taking any trades. So if I get that change in state to the upside, I will be taking longs. Yeah, so that's basically my plan for the week. And yeah, so but I don't like this range that we are in, so I will mostly be focused on gold, but also if I get that setup here, I will be trading it, because from the way it's moving, I think we will get only the change in state on SP500, but we will not get the change on US 100 today, maybe tomorrow, but US 500 is more likely to give us that change in state today. And then this is a premium week, so I will be grading it and observing how price reacts to it. So if today we get a close above the 50%, then it will have confirmed that we are going to have bullish price action. And then we also have a premium week right here on NASDAQ, but we have been resisting to close above the 50%. Where is it? So this is my premium week on. We haven't been able to close above its 50% yet. So if I can get that change in state here and a close above the 50%, then I will have confirmed that we're going to have bullish price action for the next few days or weeks, and then we can get a few setups. Yeah, as NASDAQ forms its new all-time high, and then we can calibrate the next levels using a Fibonacci, which I will just be sharing on my Telegram channel. So yeah, that's it for US 100 and 500. I'm looking to get in longs on these two and also longs on gold and silver. I have done the video, the weekly outlook, on this channel, so you can check it out. For the fundamentals, as I have mentioned, we are in a government shutdown, so we traded through that last year, so I will still be trading it right now as it goes on. I'll just be a little bit cautious and be on the keep an ear out for any information that might be of importance to my trading. So today I'll not be trading. I'm waiting for that daily change in state here on US 100 and 500. I'm also waiting for a daily change in state on gold, and then from tomorrow, Thursday and Friday, I will be trading. I will be actively looking for trading positions. So that's it. If you would like free setups, you can join my Telegram channel. It's free. So I share how I trade there and live and commentary on live price action. So yes, thank you for tuning in. Keep subscribing. Yeah, and have a great week ahead and trade safe. Thank you for joining.